Hey guys, today we're gonna see how to replace a battery, key battery on one of these. So basically, we come to the bench here. Hope we get a good shot of this. Okay, that looks very good. Okay, basically, that's the remote, and that's it. See this arrow? Okay, so we're going to push this out, and then the key is here, the key blade, and now what we do is we pry onto this, the same key blade, and then we see the battery right here. And this is the name of the battery, the number CR2032. Take it off, put the new one back. I've already done it. And make sure the positive, the positive has to face up. That's it.